Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to record Omegle video on PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open your preferred web browser. And at the address bar, type in OBS and click on enter. Here, you will see OBS software. Click on it and download it for Windows. You will get a setup file here. After the setup file is downloaded, simply click on it to open the setup file. Now you can see setup file here. Click on next button. I have already installed OBS, so I cannot show you how to install. Follow instructions in the setup file and it will be downloaded on your PC. And you can find it on your start here. You can search it from here. After that, click on it to open the application. You will see something like this. There won't be any scenes or sources in your OBS. You need to click on the add button here. Here, name your source and click on OK button. Now click on add button. Here, name your scene and click on OK button. After that, you need to add sources here. Click on add button and find the display capture. After that, you can rename your capture display and click on OK button. Here, select the display you want to capture. After that, click on OK and adjust it to your liking. After that, click on start recording button, which will be right here. Here, I am recording currently, so it is showing stop recording. So, to record on Omegle, simply go to omegle.com and open your OBS. After that, click on start recording and your recording will be started. And you can also see where the file will be stored after it is recorded. Go to settings here and go to output tab and click on recording section here. Here you can see the recording path. So that is how you can record on Omegle. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.